Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is the Casanera, and I will be talking in today's studio session about sending mail using IPv6. Previously, all the videos were using IPv4. IPv4 will still be used in the future, but it has limitations compared to IPv6. After that, IPv6 will come into use. Then you can discuss how you can also send mail using IPv6 and manage everything on your PowerMTA. So first of all, what is its purpose? If we use a VPS, the first thing we do is set up the VPS. To buy the VPS, you will find the link in the description. Click on it, and a page will open in front of you. Then, you need to click on VPS and select the Cloud VPS option. Here, you'll find many different services. You can also host a dedicated IP, which is available here. This is because it also provides a jewelry server here. Options will appear in front of you. Okay, I am taking this for the demo, so I am selecting the 4 GB starting plan. After selecting it, various options will appear here. You can choose a monthly plan, and if you take it together, you will get this price. Okay, then you have to select the region. Choose the data center you want. If we take the default option, you will get an IP from Europe. If you select India, you will get an IP from India, which is free with the VPS. I'll leave it as the default, then you can select storage. Then I select Ubuntu here as the OS. I can reinstall it later. If you want a control panel with it, you can also select that by default from here, okay? After that, I scroll down. If you want an additional IP, you can add it here. If you want an auto backup, you can select it here as well. Okay, the auto backup will be added to your plan. I also set a root password here. You can generate it here or add it later. Then, click Next. I'm enabling auto backup because I want to protect my data. So, these details will appear in front of you. Okay, it will show everything here, including taxes and other charges. It asks you to create an account here, but I already have an account and have added PayPal to it, so my payment has been processed. Something will appear here about the payment procedure, and then a confirmation like this will show up, indicating it has been received. So, you will also receive an email after some time. Look here, I have the amount in Indian INR. Okay, and this is PayPal's receipt confirming your payment in euros for this order. After some time, the details of the Contabo VPS will also be sent here. So, here's the email I received. Look here, I'll show you that the payment receipt was sent a few minutes ago, and I just received the login details 3 minutes ago. So, I got the login very quickly. Here are all the details. This is the IP password set during the buy setup. You can come here to the panel and configure it. Here, you need to go to the VPS control panel. Then, click on Manage to access your VPS and reset your root password. You can reset the root password here. Okay, these are the details of your VPS, which you will use during installation. So, after purchasing the VPS, all these details are with you. This includes IPv4 and IPv6, which are fine for the VPS. Since I bought this VPS from Contabo, the details are provided. Okay, in this video, this is the domain I'm using, and the root password is this, okay? My domain is hosted on the cloud here. So, all your DNS records and commands will be added and found here. First, we will install HSTSCP, and then install PowerMTA. Let's start here. First, you need to open PuTTY. If you don't have it, just search on Google, and you will find its download link. Use the PuTTY SSH client, go to this link, and download it, okay? Here, you need to enter your IP, which is your VPS IP. Okay, I have logged in this root. Open the terminal here. Look, I've logged in as root, okay? First of all, you will install HSTSCP. Then, come here, and after that, you will install PowerMTA. Let's start installing HTTP. Here is a Debian-based VPS. You can use this command only on Ubuntu or Debian. So first, I run the apt update command here. Okay, after this runs, the second command you had is apt upgrade. Copy and paste it. After the upgrade is complete, come here and paste this command to copy and paste it. Okay, after that, this downloads the HTTP installation command. To execute this command, paste it and click here. Something like this will appear in front of you. Just type Y and click enter. Okay, type Y again and click enter. Now it's asking for a username. So I'll enter my username here. It's asking for a password, so you can set any password. I'm using the same root password. Type admin as the username repeatedly until it's set. The installation is started now. If I want to install PowerMTA, what do I do here? I open this file and go inside my root folder. In the root folder, you need to drag and drop the PowerMTA.dev file. I'm uploading the PowerMTA file here inside the root directory. Okay, it's uploaded. This is your DNS. You need to come here, and I have the IP to configure it. Here, I add a record with the domain. And then I add one with the mail subdomain. The mail hostname is set as mail. I set my domain, okay? And I one more, www.mail. Okay, and one more record, webmail, which opens a round cube interface for HTTP. So, I've added all these records here. If you want to add IPv6, copy your IPv6 address. Add in quad A record. Select the quad A record type, paste your IPv6 address, enter the name as at, and then click Save. Save, save, save. For IPv4, copy this format and paste it here with your IPv6, okay? Paste your IPv6 here. So, this becomes the SPF for IPv4 and IPv6. Okay, then select a TXT record now, enter the name as at, and proceed. Paste your SPF record here, and click Save to add this TXT record. Select TXT again, and paste this format, replacing it with your domain here. If you save it, you'll see it's okay. Here is the SPF format, and this is the SPF configuration. Okay, I have added all these records here. Okay, so the installation is taking some time, and the PowerMTA file has been uploaded to the WIP folder, okay? So here HTTP is installed. These are your details, okay? Let's paste them here. Okay, this is the password here. It's the same because I said it earlier, okay? It's asking to press enter. This is your VPS right now. So, after rebooting, it goes back to the terminal. Open it, and it's done. After that, you need to install PowerMTA. The PowerMTA file is already uploaded, so just copy this command, paste it, click enter, type Y, and click enter, OK? Then copy this next command. So, if PowerMTA has been installed, you'll see some output. What do you do after that? Upload the license file inside the /etc/the folder. You get this with PowerMTA. Then, upload it to the /etc/the folder here. OK, you can download the configuration file by clicking this link from here. OK, so I come here, open it from here, and then go to the /etc/the folder myself. So, I come to the /etc/the folder. Here, I need to drag and drop a license file, a config file. Drop them here, and click overwrite. After coming here, what do you need to do? Edit your config file. Go to edit, and first replace your domain. Replace, 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 replace. So what do you do here? In the SMTP listener, it means all the IPs on your VPS will be listed here. And the port is changed here. I'm setting it to port 25 everywhere. Port 25 has been updated. Some are using IPv6. So how can you check? Copy your IPv6 IP, then run the IP address command here. If you run this command, it will show your IPv6 address. If you don't have it, it won't appear here. It should be listed on your VPS. OK, so I copy it, paste your IPv6 address here. You can use both IPv6 and IPv4, OK? So, I just copy this one. Paste it one more time and add it. With IPv6, we can use IPv4 too, OK? So, in the second virtual MTA, add the IP. Right now, there are two virtual MTAs, so add them as virtual MTA2. IPv6 and IPv4 will both send emails. Now, set up DKIM yourself and generate it. Create the file, paste it, edit it, and click Edit. OK, I need to add the DKIM, so just generate DKIM. If you generate the DKIM records from here, it provides a private key. You need to copy it and create one file. OK, click Save and close this. Copy the public key, and you need to add it here. The name should be selected here, then used KIM. Underscore the main key as the name. Add this as your DKIM record and click Save. It's done, OK? All your settings are complete here. After that, you need to run the command service to restart. OK, so the PowerMTA service has restarted successfully. No errors occurred. If an error comes up, run up to debug command, OK? Here, all the commands are available. You can see them in SMTP and test it here. Then, add your domain name as the host. Set the port and click on it. The username and password are yours. You can change them according to your needs. Then, the for key now is this. I enter my mail ID here and click Send. It won't send because port 25 isn't open in the firewall. So what do you need to do? Here you installed HSTSCP. See, it's showing a timeout. What do you do now? Open HSTSCP, OK? Enter the username and password. The username is development, so I enter it here, then the password, and click Next. We've set this up here. After that, you need to click on Settings. Here, click on Firewall, then add a rule. Set it to accept port range from 25 to 25, and IP address as this one, then click Save. This is done. Click Send again, and your mail will be sent. Here, the mail was sent successfully. Now, I'll show you where the mail is. The mail has arrived here. When I click on Show Original, look here. I sent this mail from IPv6. I'll send another mail now. Because I added 2 IPs, the second mail will also come. Let's check that too. Here. It's done. I refreshed it, and the third mail has also arrived. If you click Show Original on this third mail, look here, it's from IPv4 again. So, it will keep rotating between them. IPv6 and IPv4 again and again. If you remove IPv4, you need to remove the second virtual MTA too, or it won't send mail again, OK? So in this way, by using IPv6, you can send mail and manage everything here. Here, you need to enter your domain. If you add the domain here, I'll show you. You need to click on this. Enable DNS support and mail support, then click Save. After saving, come to the Mail section. And one more thing. When you open this, RoundCube will open here, OK? If you add a mail account, like I created an admin mail, click Add Mail Account. This is the password I set. Click Save. To log in, enter the username and password you set earlier. I clicked this, and it logged in, OK? If anyone replies now, I'll reply with I am fine, thanks, because. If I click Send on this reply, I'll receive it here. So, I refresh and check if any client replies to you, it will appear here. OK, it's received. The mail says thanks, development. You can create multiple mail IDs here. OK, when you click on it, there's only one mail ID now. You can create another mail ID. In the next video, I'll show you how to add SSL to PowerMTA. Here, we will add SSL. Then, you can select this option here, and we'll also add SSL there. OK, that's all for this video. How you can send mail using IPv6. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe and thanks.